In this video, I'll show you how to insert a Pine script into TradingView step by step. First, open TradingView and load any chart you want to work with. Now, look at the bottom panel of your screen. You'll see an option called Pine Editor. Click on it, and the Pine script editor will open right below your chart. Next, remove any text that's already there so the editor is empty. Then, copy the Pine script code you want to use, for example, the one in the description below, and paste it into the Pine editor. Once it's pasted, go ahead and click Add to Chart at the top right of the editor. TradingView will compile your script and automatically display it on the chart. If you pasted the sample code correctly, you'll see indicators or signals appear right away. To keep it saved for future use, click Save As, give your script a name, and you'll find it under your saved scripts list next time. And that's it, you've successfully added a Pine script to your TradingView chart. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, subscribe for more quick TradingView guides, and check the description for the sample Pine script you can test out.